Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And today we are going to make some custom acrylic novelty pendants. So let's jump right into it. Okay, we are in CorelDRAW. I have 5 different pendants that I'm going to make. So this is the baseball. Each pendant is measuring about 1.2 inches in height and about 1 inch wide. So this is the whole pendant right here. So basically, this is gonna be mirror gold acrylic right here. I'm gonna outline it in mirror gold, and this is gonna be the inside of the baseball. Like this part right here is gonna be white acrylic, and these 2 parts right here is gonna be red acrylic. So when I layer it all together, it's gonna have a mirror gold outer, and it's gonna have the baseball inside. I'm doing all sports themes pendants right here. So this is the baseball, this is the basketball, same concept. Mirror gold acrylic on the outside with the orange. This is gonna be orange right here, and the black outline for the basketball is gonna go on the inside. This is the football right here. I don't have any brown acrylic, so what I'm gonna use for the football is some walnut. I think this is gonna turn out really good. So it's gonna have the walnut with the black inside. Next is the soccer ball. So this is the soccer ball. Same concept, mirror gold, black and white acrylic, all going inside. And last, we have a tennis ball. So this is the tennis ball right here. So I have some fluorescent green that I'm going to use for the acrylic and white. So it's gonna be outlined in that white with the insides right here. It's gonna be that fluorescent green. Those are the pendants that I'm choosing to make right there. So let's head over to the laser and cut everything out. So we're starting with the football. So basically, just taking it, and we're going to line it up on top, just like that. You see? Yeah, line it up on top. One is brown, one is black. So the black is gonna be the outside. So we're gonna put that in first, if I can get it off. So this is the black. Let's take this backing off. Inside of it like that. Coming along, coming along. Now we're gonna take these inside browns. This is the walnut. Take that one. And we're gonna take this one. If I can get it out. Take that paper off, masking paper. It should slide right in, like so. See that? Slide right in. Same thing with the football. The bottom part of the football should slide right in. Oh, let's go this way. Took the wrong side off. That's one thing about it. When you cut it right, guess what? It won't let you mess up. We got it in. Football. Now, let's do the rest of them and knock this project on out.
I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind. Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about it down and down. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know if I keep sick on me. Don't know. Let me teach you all the sounds of love.
And there you have it, some custom acrylic novelty chains. If you would like to make some of these yourself, I will have a digital download for purchase in the description below. You can check that out. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and share this video to whoever you want to, who is interested in any type of laser, cutting, jewelry, pendant making thing. Share this video with them. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go make something else.